What is up, YouTube? We're back with another video. In today's video, we finna go to this Jacksonville, Illinois car meet. Finna go scoop some of my boys up, meet at a gas station, and we gonna drive all the way over there. If y'all new to the channel, man, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, turn on post notifications. This channel is nothing but mopar content, any car content. We finna get to it. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get on the road and when we get to the car meet. Peace! Everybody made it to the gas station. We finna be on our way out, man. Yeah! We got a little delay, man. My boy tires got a little flat in it, so we gotta make a quick stop. But we out here still. We gonna get there. Alright, YouTube, we just made it to the meet. There's my group of guys right there. One and only Scat right here. We gonna get the lineups ready for y'all. It rained. Yeah, it was a little tough road trip, but we made it. So I'm gonna get y'all that content. We're here in Jacksonville, Illinois, as you can tell. Lineups, the group. We're gonna see the cars now.
All right, man. Well, I'm gonna go.
All right, good talking to you. We'll see you.
Driven. You want? Can I get a little start up?
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. Head up. Look at that. Look at that shit. Nova.
I've never seen a blue.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, that been lifted off the ground. Okay. That's tough. Can I get a rev? Yeah. Yes, sir. That's hard. I like that shit. Look at the exhaust on the side of that bitch. We got here kind of late, so it's not that much cars, but I'm gonna give y'all a little something that's here. So Ford, old school Ford. Then the inside of that bitch sexy, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, look at the inside of this bitch. What the fuck? Hey, Ford. This car is older than me, man. Yeah. They got a little cruise going on later, so we definitely gonna join that. 100%. 100% joining that cruise. Jacksonville, Illinois with it, man. Yeah, I know y'all fuck with these right here. That should be blinking at you when we drop. Oh, that hood. Damn, look at the hood on that shit. Nice. No rotor, that's hilarious. Look at the Vetti. Huge fan of Corvettes, bro. Windows tinted and all. Yeah. Goose. Corvette. Y'all know I'm a fan of Corvettes, man. You already know what it is, the Corvettes. Oh, yeah. That mode right there. Old school. Sheesh. Yeah. Damn it. You gotta do it. You gotta do it right, but let me step on it when you get over here. One more time. Damn it. Come on, hit that bit. Don't be scared, bro. Do it.
I know it can take it, man.
Yeah, you got it.
What?
Going at it. Hey man, Ram TRX 6.2 supercharged. That is fire, bro. Oh man.
They're nice.
Look at this, it's all plastic.
Man.
They're hiding it from you. They're hiding the motor from. How do you open this thing up, Shane?
grab
That's
it.
all right.
You just
Don't
grab it
worry.
up.
You don't have to do that.
Oh, I didn't know you could lift that up.
That's just a cover for the
Okay.
air intake.
Look at the air cleaners on
They got that wine.
What?
Oh,
It does that wine, right?
Come on here.
Yeah, you see it?
It whines.
Yo,
You guys ever seen one of
The
these?
Hellcat engine, yeah.
Yeah, but I've never seen one like
TRX,
this.
yo.
TRX.
They powerful.
They are.
Well, they said Mike Little's.
Yeah, man, they got the TRXs out. Oh, really? Thank you, man. Appreciate that. Hell yeah. Look what we got in here. Big ass screen. Yo, look at the screen on it. Look, god damn.
It's like a Tesla.
Yeah.
Hey, you see the paint on here?
Yes, bro. This shit tough, son. Oh, yeah, you can look inside, too. No shot, bro. Yeah. TRX. Supercharger. Come on, man. It's the baddest shit in the game, man.
178.
Yeah.
Tough. We gonna come over here to the little Shelby Mustangs.
That's a boss.
Boss? My fault. Excuse me, yeah.
That's nice. That's a nice car.
I like the front of that. Here's the Mustang.
You can't find it.
5.0.
Not
Oh, they got it out today. They got it out today. They got it out today. Look at this. Look at the Chevy Camaro. Look at the accessories they got with it. That's tough. That is nice. Oh man, that's hard. That's how you get creative right there, bro. Look at the creativity right here, son. Come right here, yes sir. You see the classics. You see the old school Style Master. Yeah, bro. Way before us. Crazy.
Oh my god.
Yo, you see the creativity he put in there? The car
That is the coolest
Bumblebee?
Camaro I've ever seen.
That's hard, bro. Bro. No way. No way. What the slingshot? Oh, it's a slingshot? Hell no. What, bro? Let me show y'all the lineup real quick. Look at these old school classics. Lineup. Come on, man. Look at the lineup. Chevrolet. Look at the design on that shit. That's fire. And then they got the Mustang. Old school classic. Camaro. Yeah, man. I can show y'all a little lineup. We're on the side of the road now. Everybody doing good, see? Hellcat. Yeah. Hellcat, yeah. You see the camera, you gotta do it. Come on. I gotta hear something. Yeah. Yeah. They got a Corvette. Yeah. Yes, sir. Come on. Come on. Hit it. Hit it, man. Yeah. I gotta light it up. You got a vet, light it up. Come on. Come on, yes sir. Yeah! Stop playing with it. Hey, rip. Let me hear it. All right. Let me hear it. Let me hear that bitch. Yeah. Hey, step on it. Yeah. Hey, I know you gonna step on it. Let me hear it. Oh, here it go. Let me hear that bitch. Hey, come on. Get it. Right here. Come on, light it up. Steady. Light it up. Light that bitch up. Come on now. Look at all the fucking smoke. smoke. You see the smoke? That's how we doing it. We lighting that bitch up. Hey, let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Let me hear it. Slingshot getting active. Slingshot getting active. Something slight. Yeah. Chevrolet. Oh, BMW i8, bro. Damn. That is beautiful. i8, yo.
Well, now, hey, now, that's my Corvette over there. So.
That Corvette's beautiful.
Yeah.
I've seen that. I like that too. I'm a huge Corvette fan.
yeah.
Yeah, I love Corvettes. Yeah, that's the Corvette she's talking about right here. This bitch pressure, boy. Nice. Hit that supercharger. TRX. Yeah. Keep going, one more time. We got more of them.